In terms of the GUI, I'm just going to show you a demo of what I worked on over here. Alright, so this is just a simple GUI used in Tailwind. So I'm going to leave the code in the description. Alright, and everything is working except the categories. I just need to display the categories correctly. Because right now they're not displaying 100% correctly, as you can see. However, here's the navigation bar, the articles page, here how it looks on the computer. Alright, I just need to change, yep, that should work, as you can see. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the navigation bar, the footer, and the articles single page. The only thing that's missing right now in the project is the categories, but as you can see, everything right now is working except the categories. Alright, so see you guys in the next video where we're basically going to be adding in, we're going to be trying to add in some animations for this project. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.